question, we have to form a pair of linear equations and then we need to solve it. The question is, the larger of two supplementary angle exits the smaller by 18, find them. So first of all, we need to let one supplementary angle, let larger angle is equal to x degree and smaller angle is equal to y degree. So now what is supplementary angle? When the sum of the two angles is equal to 180 degree, then that two angles are called as supplementary angles. So if the sum of the two angle is 180, then they are called as supplementary angles. So now according to the question or according to the definition of the supplementary angle, what is x plus y?
Is equal to 180.
Very good, it's equal to 180 degree. So this is equation 1, and if you read the question here, the larger of the two supplementary angle, the larger of the two supplementary angle, so the larger of the angle is x, exits means ज़्यादा, by smaller by 18 डिग्री ज़्यादा है स्मॉलर एंगल से. तो इफ़ y प्लस 18, अगर स्मॉलर में 18 डिग्री ऐड करेंगे देन इट इज इक्वल टू द लार्जर एंगल. सो दिस इज इक्वेशन 2. Now what we need to do in this, we need to solve it by substitution method. So you can easily solve it by substitution method. How to solve it? Put equation 2 in 1, or we can, why it is called as substitution? Substitute, we can write like this also, substitute equation 2 in equation 1. Substitute equation 2 in equation 1. So what happen? At the place of x, we can write y plus 18. At the place of this x in equation 1, we can put y plus 18 plus y is equal to 180 degree. Now solve it for y. 2y is equal to 180 minus 18 degree. Then it can be written as 2y is equal to 180 minus 18 equal to 162. So y, the value of y is 81 degree. So one angle is 81 degree. Now to find out the value of x, now put y is equal to 81 degree in which equation we need to put it? You can put it in any equation. You can put in equation 1 or you can put it in equation number 2. So then the x is equal to, so at the place of y, I can write 81 plus 18. So then the value of x is 9. So 99 degree. So the two angles are, what are the two angles are? 81 degree and 99 degree. And if you look at this, if you look at the sum of 81 and 99, then it comes out to be 180. I hope this question is clear to you all.